I can go out for 4 hours. Not long, is it? Got my card here. Got the dog as well. 4 hours. Gonna make it last. The roads are completely empty of cars, but there's a lot of scooters. We're gonna see how far we can go before we hit some roadblocks. We're gonna go north. We're coming up on a huge testing center. This wasn't here last time I was out. Can't remember the last time I was out. This testing center is all new. Still going north though. Interesting. These trucks, they can't leave. These trucks are all sealed. You see? Like this truck has a Beijing plate, but it can't leave the province. And you can see it's been sealed. Somebody's been sealed inside the trucks. Wow, imagine being sealed inside a truck all that time. Been riding for about 15 minutes now. Still maybe another 15 minutes to the provincial border. Let's see if we can make it. A little bit windy today as well. This is bizarre. The road is completely empty. It's like a ghost town. We're almost at the provincial border and there's not a soul anywhere. It makes me wonder if somebody could just walk over the border. Lots of abandoned hazmat suits. We've just reached one border crossing for the provincial border. You can see it's all been sealed off. Behind me is the provincial border over into Jiangsu. I don't think we can get out that way though. Something interesting over here though. Lots of homeless people weren't able to register, so they weren't able to go into any neighbourhoods. Maybe they were from outside this province as well and they've been stuck. And so they've been camping in bus stops like this. That's the high-speed rail line. Normally, trains go along that every 10 or 20 minutes, but it's just empty today. We're heading east right now. See how long it is till we hit a border. You can see that in the distance, that's the provincial border into Jiangsu. So we're not going to get through that. Don't even want to go through that. That was the most northeasterly point we could get to. Now we're going to go south again. Let's see how far we can get. We're coming up on another border. We've been going south for about 5 or 10 minutes. I think I'm going to have to turn west. Heading south again, see if we can find the southern borders. I don't think we'll be able to go very far.
去干嘛？
拍你吧。
不要拍我。
嗯。